how to create email opt-in forms in WordPress. So guys, before I begin this video, I want to say that my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And if you watch the video till the end, guys, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So let's get back to how to create email opt-in forms in WordPress. So in my previous video as well as in this video, I'm going to tell you the best email opt-in plugin, and for me it's Bloom. So basically it's from Elegant Themes. It's not free, it's a paid one, but you could see they have really beautiful opt-ins, and it's very easy and simple to use, nothing complicated. So so the pricing is $89 per year, but I have a 20% discount, so you could get some discount as well. It's a bit expensive, people say it's a bit expensive, but for me, the money I give, I get in return the simplicity. So basically very easy to set up, hardly takes me 1 minute to set up. So all you have to do is just you get this zip. So all you have to do is plugins, add new, and then upload the plugin. Once it's uploaded, click on Bloom. So I'm going to create this again, the opt-in. So once you install the plugin, all you have to do is new opt-in, however you want. So you could show it inside the post, you could show log content, you could show widget, you could show below the post, you could show fly in, but I'm going to do pop-up. All you have to do is just click here. I'm using Aweber, so it's an email marketing solution. So if I click Aweber, it's an email marketing platform where it helps you send emails. And again, if you click down the link, I have a free trial for this as well, and the link is in the comments, guys. So just check it out, and it's very easy. Select my account, this is my account, and then just select my email list, and then next choose your design. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use this one. So click over here, scroll down, customize. You could change the text on the form, which I'm not gonna do right now, and it shows you the display options. So you could change how do you want it to show. So for me, I'm just going for demo purposes, I'm just going to delay in 1 second and trigger after inactivity or just after scrolling 50% of the page, just 1%, and save and exit. So once this is done, guys, it's simple, that's done. My email opt-in form is all set up. All you have to do is just click on visit site, and boom, this is how it is. Someone types their email over here, it will get captured in my Aweber email marketing platform. I can send them emails, I can sell them stuff, I can sell them PDF, anything I want. It's so simple and easy to set up, guys, nothing complicated. I have a 20% discount on this, and also the free bonus I told you guys. So I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you the best themes to use, the best plugins, everything is included in it. So go and check out, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.